Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, or you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to another fully funded fellowship that you can attend, and it is fully paid for. If this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new to this channel and you tell me, go ahead and introduce yourself. I would like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you. You see me. I see you guys, and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And that is about it. Without wasting your time, let's get right into this business. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, they are calling on Africa's next generation of global health leaders. And guess what? It is fully funded. Have you heard of the Kofi Annan Fellowship? Yes, so 2026. I mean, what if you could help shape the future of healthcare in Africa? I mean, not just in your country, but across the entire continent of Africa. If you're an African professional passionate about health, leadership, policy, or impact, then this video is for you. Applications are now officially open for the cohort 6 of the Kofi Annan Fellowship in Global Health Leadership. It is actually one of the most prestigious, fully funded leadership fellowships in Africa. And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down what the fellowship is all about, who can apply for this fellowship, what you will stand to gain, and all of the good stuff. I also share with you how to apply step by step. So guys, if global health leadership is actually your own calling, stay with me all the way till the end. And now let's go ahead and define what is the Kofi Annan Fellowship. The Kofi Annan Fellowship in Global Health Leadership is a fully funded high-level leadership program that is designed to develop Africa's next generation of health leaders. Now, the fellowship honors the legacy of Kofi Annan, who was a former United Nations Secretary General and a strong advocate for global health and equity, governance, and African leadership. Now, this fellowship is supported by Africa CDC, and they focus on strengthening health systems in Africa. They focus on building strong leadership and governance capacity, as well as preparing leaders to respond to public health emergencies. They also help in driving policy innovation and impact across the continent of Africa. I mean, this is not just a training, it is a strategic leadership development at the continental level. Now, why is this fellowship a big deal? Now, let me be very clear. This fellowship is elite. Like, it is top notch. And here is why it stands out. Number one, it's fully funded. You don't have to pay to participate. And it's also designed specifically for Africans working in health and development. You also get direct exposure to Africa CDC policy spaces and decision makers. You also get access to a powerful Pan-African and global network. Yes, you also get focus on real-world leadership, not just theory. Yes, so not just theory. Fellows don't just learn, they actually influence, they advise, and they shape policies that affect millions of lives. And if you've ever wanted to move from doing the work to leading the work, this fellowship creates that bridge for you. Now, if you're asking who should apply for this fellowship is for exceptional African professionals who are passionate about public health, global health, or health system. And if you're also actively involved in policy research, leadership, or program implementation, and you're working in maybe government, NGO, international organizations, guess what? You can apply. Or even if you're working in academia, you can also apply. If you're working in health agencies, go ahead and apply. If you're working in development institutions, you can apply. You don't even have to be a medical doctor. Yes, so if you work in health policy, if you work in health economics, if you work in epidemiology, if you actually work in health communication, guess what? You can apply. Or even if you work in health governance, you can go ahead and apply. If you work in development or humanitarian work, you can also apply. You're eligible to explore this amazing opportunity. And guys, what they are really looking for is leadership potential, commitments to Africa, vision for impact, track record of service. If you are able to prove to them that you volunteered your services somewhere, guys, you can apply. What does this fellowship offer? Here is what selected fellows actually get to receive. You get advanced leadership training in global health exposure to continental and global health institutions. You also get mentorship from senior health leaders, as well as hands-on experience in policy and decision making. You also get a powerful alumni network across Africa and beyond. The fellowship actually starts in June of 2026 and places fellows in environments where they can learn, where they can lead, and where they can influence. And this is the kind of opportunity that elevates your career, strengthens your credibility, it opens doors globally for you. Guys, when I found this opportunity, I was super excited. Let's go ahead and talk about this because this is also very crucial. The deadline for application is on the 30th of January 2026. So start applying. Don't wait for the last minute. So fellowships like this are very competitive and strong applications take time. So you have to start now. Applying is straightforward, but you have to be strategic at the same time. When you're applying, you will need to clearly articulate your leadership training. Yes, so whether in church, add it, put it there. See, sometimes some of you don't even know that you have experience. See, explain your impacts in health or development. Show how this fellowship aligns with your future goals. Demonstrate your commitments to Africa's health system. And here is a pro tip. Don't just list achievements. Tell a story of impact and leadership. And who should not ignore this opportunity? If any of these qualities describe you, don't even scroll past this fellowship. Yes, so because if you're someone that wants to influence health policy, not just implement programs, and if you're also someone that cares deeply about Africa's health future, if you're someone that sees leadership as a service, if you're someone that is ready to operate at a continental or global level, if you're also someone that also loves to help others, guys, opportunities like this don't come often. And when they do, preparation meets opportunity. So guys, Africa's health future needs bold, visionary, and prepared leaders. Yes. And if that sounds like you, go ahead and apply. And if you know someone that fits this description, share this video with them. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. This morning, I stumbled on a video of a man who he's a bike rider. He's a man who was just riding somewhere and he found a woman all by herself struggling and she's in labor already. This man doesn't even have experience. He's just a bike rider. And he parked, and guess what? He stopped and helped this woman deliver the baby, and he was crying. He was so overwhelmed with emotions that he broke down in tears on the ground and he was crying. Someone like that, interestingly, someone like that can apply because he advocated for the woman's health. The baby was delivered in his hands. So please, it doesn't matter whether you're a medical professional or not. As long as you are able to demonstrate that you are someone that you love to volunteer your services, you are a health advocate, why not? Go ahead and apply for this opportunity and thank me later. I want to see you guys win. Oh yeah, go ahead and start applying. So besties, at this point, I'd like to say a big thank you to my amazing Patreon members. If you would like to be part of my Patreon community, go ahead and find the link in the description as well as in the comment. Join my Patreon community, and you can also join my channel membership. There's a join button right next to the subscribe button over there. If you would like to be a paid member of this community to support my work as a creator, thank you, and go ahead and use the join button and you can choose any tier of your choice. I'm also happy to announce to you that we have now created our sign up list. So yes, please go ahead and sign up for my email list because right now we have I think 8,000 subscribers. It would be nice if I have all your email addresses so that I can always share information with you guys real time. So go ahead and sign up for my email list and also join my Telegram channel. And guys, I am also open to business inquiries and collaborations. I am open for all business inquiries and collaborations. Go ahead and send your emails to ceo@chassiseverything.com. Yes, go ahead and send me an email, ceo@chassiseverything.com. And this is by the wayside. For those of you that love movies, but you don't know good movie recommendations, go ahead and sign up on this platform, filmcurator.io. Because you're going to be using my link, it's going to be free for you guys. So go ahead and hop on this amazing opportunity. Go to filmcurator.io. And that is about it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments if you have not. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. God bless you. Bye for now.